What do you think? Yep. Okay, everyone, welcome back. Up here on the Pine Creek Trail today. Today I go after the drone I lost 7 months ago. I think it's about 5 miles back to the Ramsay Bridge, and I'm gonna see what I can do. Hopefully today I can bring home the DJI Mavic Mini. I don't know if it would ever be reusable. If anything, I'm going to retrieve the trash I threw in the woods 7 months ago. This should be interesting, and I mean, all the foliage is down. I would definitely be able to see it. Pretty sure I know where it is, in the area of pretty exactly where it's at. I do have the video on my phone from where it fell, so this is gonna be an interesting one. And a bit chilly today, my friends, but it's always great to be back up on the Pine Creek Trail. Just a couple miles up here back to the historic Ramsay Bridge. I didn't know that's what the name of it was at the time, but look at this little house going up. Oh yeah, that's when I was here. That was just a little foundation, I believe. Nice little job. What's up? Drone recon mission. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find it, and I feel like I'm gonna find it right away, to be honest with you. It's crazy how green it is up here in the spring, summer, and fall. It kind of takes away from all these rock features along the trail. This is really nice. My clothing choice is like just perfect. Just perfect. If it gets any colder, I do have my my raincoat. That retains a lot of heat, it really does. But I don't know, it's cold, but it's like just perfect. Okay, here we are. I bet we find it. I'm really feeling pretty good about finding it. Oh yeah, that foliage is knocked down, buddy. It looks different just being. It looks different just being here. Wow. It looks so different. It looks so different here. But what I was thinking was, in the video of it crashing, it ends, it's laying on the ground and there's like a branch, there's like a, you know, definite piece of wood in there. And I believe it would have crashed right here in this area, I think. Just gonna do a quick visual before I get diving in there. You know, there's a black bag here. There's a black bag hidden underneath this log. Look at this. What do I do? What if it's full of cash? What if it's full of cash? There's something heavy in it. Ooh. How are ya? Not too bad. There's like something heavy in that bag. I'm gonna pretend that somebody stashed some water. Maybe they're doing the whole trail and they need a resupply point. I kind of don't want to look in it. I don't know. I just don't want to look in it. But this might be a little harder than I thought, so yeah, I guess I just kind of have to get in there. Definitely easier said than done. So many leaves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gosh. I guess I'll watch the video. I guess I'll watch the video again, try to pinpoint exactly where it dropped. I thought it'd be just laying right here. I knew there'd be some leaves, but there seems to be an immense amount. Man, I was all down through there. I don't see anything. Ow! I don't even know, man. I don't even know. I don't know, man. There's branches. It's just not so clear, really. What do you think? Yep. There's a branch. I don't know. Crap. This doesn't really tell me much. Maybe I don't know if you could still try to locate it. It's showing it right here, man. It's showing me the same video I just showed you. I don't know what to tell you. think it might be gone. It says I'm right on top of it, man. I don't know. I don't know where the hell it is. I don't know. That might be about it. That might be it for the DJI. I was looking forward to getting that back. I think that's just it for the DJI, everybody. I looked around a little bit more. I think that's just it. Giving that one to the woods. It was a good drone, but hey, that's how it goes, you know. I gave it a shot. I thought it'd be easier. It's definitely easier to look around, but it's a needle in a haystack. I don't know. I don't even know where to begin almost, you know. I'm following that the little location GPS icon on the phone, and I'm standing right on it. I looked in that area. I don't really know. I think that's about it, everybody. I guess I'll just enjoy the rest of the ride and nice stretch of trail. I've done this stretch so many times, but glad I got to get up here one more time before the snow flies this year for 2025. I did make it up, what, 2 or 3 other times. Cruising back into Waterville. It's been a really nice ride today. Hasn't warmed up, I gotta say that. Super nice though. Glad I got up here. Interesting little town they got here. I think that's gonna do it for this video, everybody. That was a cold one. The way back here, I don't know, the temperature must have dropped. It's pretty fierce out today, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up. The DJI drone is lost forever, and just gonna have to figure it out. Just gonna have to figure that out from here. So thanks for staying tuned. We'll catch you on the trail.